Alright, in this video I'm going to add a share feature. Someone requested it on a comment. So right here, I'm also going to do search the list in another video and favorites, add to favorites with the show the list and the favorites page in another video too. So alright, so really you just need the Flutter. The Flutter team already made a share package. So I was looking at it earlier. So I actually used it. So you just go to installing tab, and then copy the share package, and go to pubspec.yaml, copy it there, click packages get so it can download the package and install it. I'm just gonna put it in the home page. So I'm gonna wrap the feature builder with a column. Let's see. Oh, column is right there, but whatever. But actually, because it's children. So I'll put a raised button above the. This is in my home page, which just shows the list of Star Wars characters. So it takes a child, which I'll do as a text with share. Just call the button share. With a comma after that, and then we need the on press function. And then we'll call, first we need to import, actually it will import it for us if you start typing share. And press enter. Don't finish typing, just press enter. It'll automatically import it for you. Just share. You just share the text you want to share. Check out my cool Star Wars app. I don't know, you can put whatever you want, but yeah, that's it for that. That's pretty much it on how to use the share. So I'll just stop it and rerun it. I'll show it on the Android first. And iOS, it just pops up the alert dialog or the action sheet with the share stuff. Alright, we need to set a size to feature builder. So you could do expanded, really, which it doesn't have. Just so you can show the list under that, but so you just click share. It'll bring up the share bottom sheet. Now iOS